In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Darktable, the free photo editor for your computer. Darktable is a powerful open-source software that offers an array of features to elevate your photo editing experience without costing you a dime. So, let's dive right in and get Darktable set up on your device so that you can start enhancing your photos. First, you'll want to open up your web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer to use. Once your browser is open, head over to the official Darktable website. You can do this by typing in the URL, which is simply darktable.org. This website is the primary source for downloading the program, ensuring that you receive the latest and most reliable version available. When you arrive at the Darktable homepage, you'll notice a user-friendly layout. Look towards the top of the page, where you'll see an option to either install or download. Clicking this button will direct you to the download section of the website. This is where you'll choose the version of Darktable you need, based on your operating system. Darktable supports a variety of operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. Here, it's essential to select the version that corresponds to the device you're currently using. This ensures compatibility and a smooth installation process. Click on the appropriate option and you'll be directed to the download link for the latest stable version of Darktable. This version is regularly updated to offer new features and security enhancements, making it the best choice for most users. Once you've clicked the download link, the Darktable installation file will begin to download. Keep an eye on your downloads bar or folder, as this is where the file will appear. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, click on the file to open it. This will initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. These prompts will guide you through the remaining steps. Typically, this involves clicking Next several times, accepting the software's terms and conditions, and confirming the installation directory. The setup wizard will handle the rest, installing the necessary files and components onto your computer. And there you have it. Darktable is now successfully installed on your device, and you're ready to start editing your photos for free. With Darktable at your fingertips, you can dive into a world of photo editing possibilities, from adjusting colors and exposure to applying creative filters and effects. If this guide helped you get started with Darktable, be sure to explore the software further, as it offers an impressive range of tools and options to enhance your photography projects. Enjoy your editing journey, and thanks for joining me today.